faces, Greg Worley with the Mini Hex Group. Global Mini Hex. 1 to 10 ton now. Yep, a 10-ton next-gen machine is still considered a mini excavator. Many of you was with us last year and know about the journey of the next-gen machine. A machine that's designed by customers. Spent 5 years bringing the next-gen machines to markets. Last year we launched the 1 to 2 ton, a couple over here, and we launched the 7 to 10 ton. This year we're adding to the family. We're launching our 6-ton machine. We've never had a genuine 6-ton machine in the marketplace. We have the 5 and we have the 305.5 E2. The 5.5 E2 was a stretched machine to play in the same sandbox as the other 6-ton machines out in the marketplace. Got us in the sandbox, didn't make us a winner. We want to be a winner in everything we do. Remember, the next gen is about the customer, it's about affordability, it's about performance, it's about service and the experience that we're going to give. So I went and designed a 6-ton machine from the ground up. Don't often get that opportunity. You know, in past years with Tier 4 interim, Tier 3, Tier 4 final, it was more about admissions rather than developing and designing machines for the customers. The 6-ton machine that we've just added, it's got the same cab as the 7 to 10 ton. Same creature comforts, the same industry first experiences. Stick steer, cruise control, sealed and pressurized cab, enhanced AC. If you're going to advertise AC, it sure better work. It better be cold. Because experience to us is very, very important to the customer. We want to attract new people into this industry to be heavy equipment operators. So with that, we have the same monitors on our 1.5 ton machine all the way through to our 10-ton machine. So where's the pattern changer? How do you swing the boom? That's the sort of the standard stuff. But we also have all the cab machines USB charging because everybody wants to charge their cell phone today. You can do it in our machines. You can then hook your phone by Bluetooth to the cab, listen to your favorite music, rap music.
Oh, definitely. Raise my hand.
Country music. But you can feed it through that, and of course hands-free as well. So all the things you come to expect from your car or your truck, get it in a piece of construction equipment. We want to get new people into the construction industry, and we want to retain the operators that we have. Give them cool cabs, give them great heat. Sealed and pressurized cab, keeps the dust out, keeps the office clean. Some of our customers are in these machines all day long. They conduct their business from inside this space, so let's make it as luxury and as comfortable as we can for them. So that's sort of the experience side and the customer side. Look, some of these other elements, performance. Like I said, we've never had a genuine 6-ton machine. Our 305.5 E2 was not a bad machine, but it just did not meet customers' expectations. Our 306 picks up 3 times more weight at full stretch than the previous model. It's not a direct replacement for the 5.5 ton machine. It's an addition to the range. Yeah, we will eventually phase out the 5.5 ton machine, but right now they're going to overlap as we go forward. Also on the performance side, over the side stability. So you see we get the extra counterweight option on this machine. But if you're lifting a lot, no good just lifting it over the blade. You need to lift it all the way around the machine and stay stable. We look at the undercarriage system. So on this size machine, 3 undercarriages. You get your rubber belt, which is pretty traditional. You get steel track with pad that we have here, or you get steel track only. So 3 undercarriage options on the 306. The 306 also comes with 3 blade options. Right here we have the angle blade, we have the straight blade, and we've also developed the XTC, the extra tool carrier option, onto this machine. So if you remember, the 304.5 is a standalone XTC model. The 306 encompasses all in one package. As a customer, I want a 306. That's great. What blade do you want on it? Straight blade, angle blade, or XTC? What comes in that 306 package? The linkage in the structure over our previous model. About a foot more reach and dig depth on this machine. It really fills the gap between that 5-ton class and the 8-ton class, which is still a swing boom. So we do have the 307.5 fixed boom center tail. This machine is compact radius with a swing boom on it. So there might be some people, so we're all about providing options to our customers. Right machine, right customer for the right application. We've already heard that some people are buying an 8-ton machine for that performance and what they get, but perhaps they don't need an 8-ton machine. That's absolutely fine. We now have another option for them with a 6-ton because the 5-ton was probably not big enough for them. We didn't meet their expectations. So in North America, CAT has now 19 models in the 1 to 10-ton range. And somebody said, why so many models? Because there are so many different customers. And one thing about mini hydraulic excavators, we're in every market segment. You think about it. Do we do demolition? Yes. Do we do land management? Yes. Do we do utilities? Yes. Do we do landscaping? There isn't a segment where a mini excavator doesn't fit into. Some of you might say, well, how about agriculture? Well, you do put tile drains in and you do need pilot holes, so we do dabble in agriculture, but in partnership with our work tool group with the universal coupler that we showed on an 8-ton machine back at DIE a couple of years ago, you can put a bell spear on the front of one of these. Can you imagine the capability of this machine, what it could do with handling piston bales on a bell spear? Opens up another industry, another opportunity for these machines. We're about to drill a hole right behind us. Let's see how loud.